this will be inside. So I can say now today, for you to do this, what you need to do is to go to your YouTube studio. I just give example. Go to your YouTube studio. See, say
So
as
what
I
will
dey talk
now
my
be
face,
this background?
you can put anything in the background.
Okay. I thought this
Don't worry,
one
let me
can
show you.
stay
You can
on.
go to your YouTube studio. Then once you go to your YouTube studio, make sure that you are clicking on this tab that I click, the same way I click. Don't do anything. No, just
Yeah.
make sure you follow my step. Don't do anything more than that. You see, and they cut one, and people will say this guy is serious. If you even do this kind of thing and post, you make money. See
But this
now,
kind of
I
thing,
want
I
to show
want
you how
to
to get 1,000 as I have done for this my client, for this my student, or for anything I've been called to play. Now, if you notice, this is just a new channel, and within how many space of how many days she's able to hit up to this. Now, how did we get there? It's very easy. Now, what you need to do is you come to this place, upload. Even though now how to upload video, I teach you. Now, look for that video you want to upload. That video you want to upload, look for it. Let's say you want to upload this video, select that video. So once you select that video, now when you want to post, put after putting the title of the video and putting everything, you see this place, you see visibility public. Don't put it public. That is the mistake many people are making.
you don't do video, but I may will see every day.